Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. So in this video I will be telling about the books that you should definitely have if you are preparing for the NIMSET. Seeing that the competition is high now, 480 plus or 500 will not work. You need to achieve at least 840 plus or 900 marks in your NIMSET to get the best NITs for yourself. Seeing all those things, I am suggesting some other books that other toppers have used for themselves, and you need to have those books in your cupboard or your almirah, just not to see it but yes to practice it. So for clearing the basics, you can go through your NCERT 11th and 12th. If you are from ICSE or ISC board, you can go through that your ML Agarwal book. That is the best book because I have read that book. I am suggesting you. That is for the clearing the basics. You need one book to practice your paper. For that you can buy Arihant MCA entrance. One for practicing the questions. For that you definitely need to have the Divas MCA book by Dr. M. Kumar. And this is the book that all the toppers are using it. Apart from that, you need to practice R.D. Sharma book. The reason why? Because mostly all of the toppers who have cracked NIMSET with a good rank have practiced this book. So must buy this R.D. Sharma book for your logical reasoning and analytical ability. You can purchase one book, Arihant Publications book. For your English and for your computers, you can either go through the banking exam paper because mostly the questions are very much similar as in the banking exams. So you can go through that, or you can buy the Arihant same one. Even if you are not getting that book, you can just solve the last 10-year papers for English and computers, and those are more than enough if you clear the concepts through those questions. So these are the books that you should definitely have if you are preparing for the NIMSET. One more question that I would like to answer about is कि a lot of people puts the comments on कि भैया हमने ये किया क्या हम ये कर सकते हैं MCA BCA कर सकते हैं. See, in the video only I have answered all the questions. Please watch the video till the end because it's not possible for me to answer every comments. I'm not sure whether you are aware of this or not, but I do a job as well, so it's hard for me to answer every question. If you have maths in your 10+2 or in your graduation, then only you can give the exam for the MCA. Otherwise you can't do BCA or MCA from a good college. A normal private college might allow you, but a good college will never allow you for BCA or MCA if you don't have maths. So if you have arts or you have done biology or you are from commerce without mathematics, you can't give this exam. I'll end up this video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care and keep smiling.